this clapped out piece of shit.
I think it's pretty sweet, not gonna lie.
I got that. That was it. To the motor, bitches! Pedal to the motor! Go boss! Don't let that thing. Oh yeah! Come on, baby! Come on, baby! Come on now! Come on now! Oh shit! Come on! That ass hood wet! So what we're doing right now is we are on our way to go ahead and pick up a dirt. It was just a random ass bike laying on in the ditch. So we're doing hood rat shit. Alright, so this is the bike. Who wants to see if we can ride it? You think you can ride it now?
What the?
Oh shit, that's just a box, dude. It's a U-Haul box. Is there shit in it?
No. Keep this box?
Hell yeah. This bitch is mangled. Alright, we done got her loaded up.
This guy probably thinks we're
let's
weird.
dip out of this bitch.
Yeah, this guy probably thinks we're...
Alright, we're gonna go now. The bitch won't start.
Dude, that's not even close.
At least we got the bike
It's
though.
a close start, so we're gonna go home and get Dad's truck. Well, that didn't work. We're towing it home now. This turned into a lot bigger job than I thought. Alright. Nah, it's weird. He almost backed into Grandma on the road. Like Grandma's brand new car. Your grandma's sitting there, not like trying to talk to us. He's like, he couldn't steer it. And I'm like, Ryan, he almost went right into the car. Brand new car.
What the look? How close that was?
Like, I don't know. Like,
Brand new view.
I don't know. I guess. Now what?
So boys, we went ahead and got the tour all fixed up. Supposedly, this lubricant that we put on the belt is supposed to start it up nice and good. It won't take more than 10 seconds. Let's go ahead and try it out.
So it should start like an actual golf cart now.
Here we go.
You ready?
It's almost
Let's go for a rip. Yeah! We doing head rash shit.
Hey, car's coming.
Oh. My friend's like, oh shit! Oh my god! Oh my! I almost died! We're heading up to a bumpy section. Yeah, watch for car.
Coming?
Yeah, you're good.
Oh, shit. It's lit as fuck.
Yeah!
Oh, shit.
This is Daxler Bass in the Toro golf cart stunt. Yeah! 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 Yeah!